Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make raspberry butter. So you can see in the bowl here I have a KitchenAid and I have 300 grams of butter and I have 30 grams of freeze-dried raspberry powder, okay? So I'm just going to switch on the mixer on low speed. And I'm just going to blend the raspberry powder with the butter. It doesn't take too long. You don't really want to beat the butter, you just want to incorporate all of the powder in with the butter. I'm going to squeeze up a bit to get the bits off the centre. There we go. So just get it to a nice homogeneous mix. If you want to see any lumps of butter in it, you want it nice and evenly distributed. I'm going to give it a quick squeeze to the high speed and stop the machine. So as you can see, the powder has been incorporated into the butter. And I'm just going to scrape it out now. I'm going to put it into plastic and I'm going to show you how to make a butter block in the next video. Thanks for watching.